Ever felt like your Xero account is missing a vital piece of the puzzle? Maybe you're struggling to reconcile transactions, or maybe you're just tired of manually entering bank statements. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into how to add a bank in Xero, making your accounting life a whole lot easier. Let's be honest, Xero is a powerful tool, but it's only as good as the data you feed it. And what's more crucial than your bank transactions? They're the lifeblood of your business, right? So, let's get this bank connection set up and watch Xero work its magic. Why bank connections matter. Before we jump into the how, let's quickly understand why connecting your bank in Xero is a game changer. Automation is key. Say goodbye to tedious data entry. Bank feeds automatically import your transactions into Xero, saving you countless hours and reducing the risk of human error. Real-time insights. With up-to-date transaction data, you get a real-time view of your cash flow. This allows you to make informed decisions about spending, investing, and overall business strategy. Improved reconciliation. Bank feeds streamline the reconciliation process. Xero often pre-matches transactions, making it easier and faster to identify and clear any discrepancies. Enhanced accuracy. Automating data entry minimizes the risk of typos, incorrect amounts, and miscategorized transactions, leading to more accurate financial records. Let's get connected. Now let's get to the exciting part, adding your bank to Xero. Step 1. Navigate to the Bank Accounts page. In your Xero dashboard, go to the Accounts menu. Select Bank Accounts. Step 2. Add a new bank account. Click on the Add Bank Account button. You'll be presented with two options. Add a new bank account for banks not already in Xero's directory. Connect to an existing bank account if your bank is already listed in Xero. Option 1. Add a new bank account. If your bank isn't listed, select Add a new bank account. You'll need to enter some basic information. Account name. Give your account a descriptive name, e.g., business checking, savings account. Account type. Choose the appropriate account type, e.g., checking, savings, credit card. Currency. Select the currency for this account. Bank name. Enter the full name of your bank. Branch name. Optional. Enter the name of your bank branch. Account number. Enter your full account number. Confirmation. Re-enter your account number for verification. Click Save. Option 2. Connect to an existing bank account. If your bank is already listed in Xero, select Connect to an existing bank account. Search for your bank using the search bar. Select your bank from the list. You may be redirected to your bank's website to complete the connection process. This usually involves logging in to your online banking, authorizing Xero to access your account data, confirming the connection within Xero. Important notes. Bank feeds and direct feeds. Xero offers different types of bank connections. Bank feeds. These rely on your bank's online banking system to transmit transaction data to Xero. Direct feeds. These establish a more direct connection between your bank and Xero for faster and more reliable data exchange. Multi-factor authentication. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled on your bank account, you might need to provide additional verification during the connection process. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, consult Xero's help documentation or contact their support team for assistance. After connecting your bank. Once you've successfully connected your bank account, review imported transactions. Xero will typically import a few months of historical transactions. Reconcile transactions. Spend some time reconciling your imported transactions. This involves matching them with your accounting records and marking them as cleared. Customize bank feeds. Explore the bank feed settings within Xero. You can customize how transactions are imported, such as setting rules for automatic matching, defining how certain types of transactions are categorized, specifying which accounts transactions should be posted to. Tips for a smooth experience. Ensure strong internet connectivity during the connection process. Keep your bank account login credentials updated in both your online banking and Xero. Regularly review your bank feeds for any errors or discrepancies. Take advantage of Xero's training resources to learn more about bank feeds and other features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.